3 million years ago, our earliest ancestors, Australopithecus afarensis, walked a world ruled by giants. They were neither ape nor man, yet they stood upright, facing dangers no human today could imagine. Survival meant vigilance. Every shadow, every sound could hide a predator. Above them, death had wings, the giant eagle, ruler of the prehistoric sky. Its vision, unmatched in nature, could spot prey from miles away. The savanna brimmed with life, massive, ancient, and unpredictable. But peace never lasted long beneath the shadow of the giant bird. A single strike could shatter bone. Death came from the sky. Panic ruled the plains. No place was safe. For the first time, fear turned into resistance. The air stilled, but the threat remained above. They found safety in unity. Each life protected the other. Yet on the ground walked an even greater terror, the Brontornis, the terror bird. It towered over Australopithecus afarensis, its beak strong enough to break skulls. Stillness meant survival. Any movement could mean death. But in the wild, even a single mistake was fatal. They ran for the trees, speed their only defense. Climbing saved their kind, a fragile barrier between life and extinction. The night brought silence, but never safety. Predators ruled even the moonlit hours, hunters that never slept. Necessity awakened something new, the first spark of human intelligence. They learned to prepare, to turn fear into cunning. This time, the hunted were ready. A victory hard won, the first triumph of strategy over strength. Together, they had changed the balance of power. For the first time, the skies held no fear. In the age of monsters, their greatest weapon was not fire or fang, but survival itself. Love to watch prehistoric video? Please share and like this video and subscribe my channel.